Anyway, midpoint formula, so, okay, which is the third one. Okay, so we'll just write down the formula first. It's x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. And it means the point is halfway between the 2 points you're given. So basically, there are 2 points. Okay, the midpoint should be this point is halfway. To get it, you add the 2x values and divide by 2 to get you your x coordinate, and you add the 2 y values and divide by 2. Your answer is always a couple. Okay, it's not a number, it's a couple, as we'll see. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, so A is 4, 3, B is 6, 13. Okay, find midpoint of AB. Okay. Now, same story as always. You write down your 2 couples. They're called couples because there's 2 of them. 2 numbers in each one. So x1, y1, x2, y2. You name them. You write down the appropriate formula, and we'll come back to making sure you have the right formula. You asked me about that the other day. So y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, and then we just fill them in. Okay, so here it's 4 plus 6 over 2, comma, 3 plus 13 over 2. So 4 plus 6 is 10, half of 10 is 5, 3 and 30 is 16, half of that is 8. And that's your answer, and the answer is a couple, 5, 8. Now, think about it. What's halfway between 4 and 6? 5. What's halfway between 3 and 13? 8. If you want to get halfway between 2 numbers and you're not sure, you add the 2 numbers and divide them by 2, which is the formula. That's all that's going on. That's the midpoint formula. Okay, and your answer is a couple. So remember, let's go back to the 3 we've done. The distance formula. The answer is a distance, a length. So it's a number, just a number. Slope formula. It's a number as well. But the midpoint, it's a couple, as we've just seen. Now we'll do one with negative values just in case. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's take C equals minus 2, 11, and D is equal to 2, 8. And there's plenty going on in this one. So, first step, as always, name them. Second step, write the appropriate formula. In this case, it's where you're getting the midpoint. I didn't say it, but we're getting the midpoint. Okay, fill it in. So it's minus 2 plus 2 over 2, comma, 11 plus 8 over 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 over 2. Okay, and you get 19 over 2. So you end up with 0, 9.5. And very often you will have a fraction. You'll have a half. Okay, right. That's it. That's the midpoint formula.